back home.
Hey guys, it's Ashley. Can you believe it? We're going to Coachella! Guys, I'm super duper excited. This is such a dream come true, and I want to take you guys along with me all throughout the process of me preparing for Coachella. Like from the nails, hair, outfits, makeup, packing, and a whole lot more. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. Okay, game plan for the outfits. We all know that Coachella could be quite expensive, so I'm doing the best that I can to work with what I have and just like, you know, save money as much as possible. I found this photo on Instagram, realized that, oh my gosh, I do have some similar pieces sitting on my closet right now. I actually made a TikTok. I think it's up by now by the time that you guys are watching this. So I really wanted to wear something na ako yung nag-DIY.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no.
Currently shopping for beads. Ta-da! It's a mix of blue and crystal and white beads. Guys, first time ko ito gagawin, so wish me luck. Buy 10, get free 3 packs for 100 pesos. And ito naman, 20 packs, free 10 packs. I got this. I actually love doing projects like this because napo-force ako mag-learn ng mga bagong skills. And ngayon na talaga ako natuto mag-beads, guys. And I just recently learned na ito pala yung kailangan na thread kapag magtatahi ka ng mga beads. This is the invisible thread. I got it from the Orange app. And then, these are the beads that I got from Quiapo. Honestly, I was so excited because this reminds me of my childhood. Mahilig ako gumawa ng mga bracelets noon. But now, look at us making a DIY outfit for Coachella. Wanted to go for something like icy blue look. So far, ito na yung mga nagawa kong beads. As you can see, very beginner pa lang siya. But I think it's not too bad, right? Like, it looks pretty decent. And I also enrolled on a one-on-one makeup class, not just for Coachella. Lagi akong nag-a-attend ng mga events and I always hire yung mga glam team. But sometimes, I can't do that when I'm out of the country. So, I think learning this kind of skill would be very helpful for my career. Kasi I'm not the best at makeup, but I try to learn as much as I can. And I want to improve my skills. The final look, ayan. Please judge. Later, pupunta kaming beauty con. Bibili ako ng mga makeup products na nirecommend ni Miss Zella. Kasi kasama yun sa package, guys. If you're gonna avail her makeup class, tuturuan ka niya, number 1. Ang pangalawang part, demo. Ikaw gagawa mismo sa sarili mo. 3 is product reco. Lastly, yung certificate. O, diba? May certificate na ako, guys! So, may award.
Si Ash.
Yes. So,
Another graduation day.
yes, gusto ko yan. Sobrang generous ni Miss Zella. Hindi siya madawat sa mga learnings niya.
Ngayong araw, isinasagawa natin ang graduation ng isang mag-aaral ni Miss Stella Espinosa. Aking itinatawag Miss Stella Espinosa. At ngayon, tatawagin na natin ang estudyante niya mula sa Section 1, si Miss Alicia Ashley O. Garcia. Ngayon, natapos ang aming journey. Bibigay mo na sa kanya ang kanyang diploma. Ngayon, bigyan natin sila ng minuto upang magkuha ng letrato. Exit na. Congratulations! Papa, I made it! Marunong na namin!
Not to be OA at all, pero yung preparation ko for this talaga nagsimula nung January pa. As in, trinay ko mag-workout because I wanna look and feel my best whenever I'm gonna wear these outfits. You have to be physically fit kasi grabe, as in maabot daw 30k steps doon. Hi kayo, coach. Meet my coach, Coach Carlo. Saan kasama ko, guys, for 2 months na.
Just what I wanted, just what I needed. You saw me through. I was on a slow train headed for a heartbreak. You came along, played a new song. So
Bye, coach. Bye. Bye. Okay, from the gym and hindi ko kayo masyado na-update but I've been really active. I'm actually in my weight loss journey and I'm already 1 kg away from my target weight. Kaya ngayon, ang goal ko na lang is to tone my body, which is why nag-weight training ako. Hindi ko akalain na magiging ganito ako ka-dedicated kasi tinatry ko talaga 3 times a week kahit anong mangyari. Dapat 3 times a week makakapag-gym ako. Wala akong absent guys within the whole 2 months. Kahit gano'n ka busy pa, I still find or make time. At totoo nga yung sinasabi nila, mas nakaka-motivate kapag nakakita ka ng results. The results are not as fast, but it is so freaking fulfilling. And I wanna keep implementing all the New Year's resolutions that I was able to do because of this trip. Kahit tapos na yung Coachella. I didn't know that Coachella would alter my brain chemistry and para bang na-develop lang yung frontal lobe ko na sumipag lang talaga ako and I've been taking care of myself more. One statement that really motivated me is that at least once in your life, you have to see yourself in your prime years. Kahit isang beses lang sa buhay ko, makita ko man lang yung sarili ko in my prime years. Alam niyo yung feeling na magbibikini ako, tapos may abs ako, tapos parang like super goals body. I know I'm like nakakaya pag hindi ko magawa. But I just want to see myself in my prime years at least once in my life before I like get married or have kids. I mean, matagal pa naman yun, pero alam niyo yun, like I wanna be able to enjoy my youth, feel my best self. That's where my headspace is at right now. So yung protein shake ko guys, it's usually 1 scoop of this, yung whey protein, and then naglalagay rin ako ng 1 teaspoon ng creatine, and then I add a banana, and then usually ang milk ko is yung oat side, pero cowhead lang yun nandito ngayon sa ref. So ngayon hinintay ko na lang yung extraordinary because they are gonna go here for a home service to get my nails done. I'm so excited for my Coachella nails. Now for my nails naman, this is my peg because I feel like this will suit most of my outfits. Okay, so this is the finished look of my nails. Can I just say I am so obsessed. And I really love Extraordinary Nails because they offer home services. So, super convenient talaga. And you can use my code Ashley Garcia for 10% off on any of their services and their branches. Super cute! And I also got a hair makeover. I was supposed to go blonde, not gonna lie, as in ash blonde. Pero pinigilan ako nung salon kasi sabi nila, masisira lang yung hair ko. It's always the same. Kapag pupunta ako sa mga salon, hindi nila ini-encourage ako magpa-lighten ng hair. Which I think is also a blessing in disguise even if I want to try new things. Parang nakakapanghinayang yung hair ko. I really want it to be healthy. Went to Dao Salon BGC and I requested for a butterfly haircut with dark brown hair color, and these are the results. If you want the same butterfly haircut, I don't get curtain bangs, and then yung shortest layer is underneath my chin, just enough to frame my face. Alam nyo guys, I'm honestly so proud of myself because I feel like this is the first trip that I felt most independent talaga. I mean, I know I traveled solo na before, but talagang mag-isa ako nag-apply ng visa. And we all know how hard it is to apply for a visa as a Filipino citizen, and hindi exempted yung mga content creator. Alam niyo yun, pag marami daw followers, mas madali makapasa. Well, in fact, may ibang mga content creators na kahit malaki yung following nila, hindi sila nakakapasa for US visa. And sobrang kinabahan ako kasi nauna yung ticket, guys. Nauna ako bumili ng ticket bago ako nakakuha ng US visa. It was so nerve-wracking for me. And while I was in the US Embassy, di ba maririnig mo yung mga interview ng ibang tao? Naiiyak na talaga ako kasi siguro 8 out of 10 yung hindi nakapasa. Ganun ka-intense kapag nagpapa-interview ka sa US visa. I was just like praying the whole time and thank God, pupunta naman tayo. Pero grabe rin yung level of fulfillment once you get everything that you've been envisioning. Who knows, if ever you also dream of going to Coachella, it might be you. And all throughout my teenage years, sobrang hilig ko na talaga mag-consume ng mga content ng international YouTubers, and I always see them go to Coachella. I always like pray, when will it be my turn? But now that it's here, it's just so surreal, and the best part is andun si Justin Bieber and even Sabrina Carpenter. If you guys know that I've been like the biggest believer talaga. Yung unang concert niya guys, wala pa akong budget nun, so hindi ako nakapunta. And then yung pangalawa niyang concert here sa Pilipinas, I literally camped out. Sean and I literally camped out. Alam niyo yung mga naghihintay sa labas ng mall bago magbukas. And grabe yung dedication ko nun kasi Kasi hindi naman nag-sold out yung ticket na ina-eye ko or yung afford ko before. I was just literally a dedicated fan with a supportive boyfriend, although sad na hindi siya makakapunta sa Coachella. Hi, baby! I was telling them the story na nag-camp out pa tayo for Justin Bieber tickets. He's not gonna come with me, but even if he's not gonna come with me, he's still helping me out on some things. Bago kasi ako pumunta sa US, guys, may mga natitira pa akong work. And he learned how to edit vlogs. He learned how to use CapCut just overnight. And now he's so stressed out. Okay, let's look at your work. I super appreciate Sean because he's the type of person who always tries to lessen the weight of the things that you have to do. You wanna torture someone?
How do you torture someone?
You put a perfectionist on a new skill or hobby. Okay. Let's check up on him. Grabe!
Look at what I did. Like,
Grabe!
I actually see the drive.
Dry.
And that's why I need my trusty.
Malahat to magagalaw.
Yeah, I get it. But like, maybe you could lessen these parts. Hindi ba
Hindi, lahat to magagalaw, baby, swear.
Just like that.
My baby, my baby. And now we proceed to packing. It's finally time to pack the most overwhelming part of this vlog. This is the day before the flight. So, by the way, I also got my dream luggage from our last trip to Japan. And ito yung first time na magagamit ko talaga siya. I'm so excited. I got the ballerina pink na Reboa. And honestly, nasa wishlist ko yung trunk version neto. Pero na-realize ko, I don't know if pag-iipunan ko ba siya or okay na ako sa ganito. But ito, galing Shopee lang to. Ilang beses ko na talaga nagamit. Wala kung ilang bansa, 10 ata or even more. Probably one of the best purchases ko talaga sa Shopee. I just got this as a set. May isa pa siyang carry-on na ganyang kalaki, na silver din. Actually, ang gagawin ko na lang talaga ngayon is lalagay yung mga stuff sa luggage because everything's in here already. Naka-organize na siya. Mukha lang siyang magulo right now. But, bali, ito na yung mga outfits ko. I tried my best na ganito lang kadami. I know, ang dami pa rin. And then, ito naman yung mga accessories and shades na dala ko. Dito ko na nilagay yung mga underwear. One thing about me, I am an overpacker. Kaya medyo nagda-struggle ako. Feeling ko, kailangan ko silang lahat. And guys, sa sobrang praning ko, like, I don't want to experience any struggles when it comes to my outfits sa mismong Coachella Festival. I'm not gonna let a lost baggage ruin the whole trip. Have to pack all of my Coachella outfits in my carry-on, and I already organized everything per day. And syempre, pinangarap natin to, so might as well be extra careful and extra praning and extra safe. The things that I need for 3 days sa Coachella Festival, I put them all in separate Ziploc bag. It contains my underwear, my socks, the silicone pads, mga accessories ko, mga didikit ko sa hair, sa face, so that para sure na hindi masasayang yung pinaghirapan natin na outfit. And these ones, along with my outfits over there, will go into this bag para may peace of mind tayo kahit anong mangyari. So,
1, 2, 3. Da da dum, da do, do do, da da dum, da do, do. When it's night, there is nothing more I love to do.
I have 4 different pouches and bags over here. Lahat sila from Sunny's Face. Sobrang favorite ko yung mga bags or pouches nila. This one's for my makeup tools, lashes, contact lenses, setting spray, hair stuff, medicine kit, and my toiletries.
Wanna think in her life about how I started all anew, and every path led me to you. It's a wonderful feeling to know that you're loved in return. This is only such a feeling that you know when you learn to love yourself. Without you, I don't know. Without you, I don't know. I thought you wouldn't show. I thought you wouldn't show.
baby ko, wag masyado, boom. Wag gano'n na, as in like, ano lang, chill.
Okay. Sorry. Ako marunong mag-Tesla, guys. Kasi itong sobrang bigatin ng mga kasama ko eh.
Marunong yan. Galing yan. Nag-drive yan sa EDSA. Pasubik po, mag-isa lang. Nagalitan tuloy ng jowa.
Ben, lapit natin to, no? Parang, dito po tayo.
Kaya niya yan.
Bakit nagsastop siya mag-isa?
Kasi nga, kailangan mo siya paglaro.
mo talaga yung
Oo.
break.
Tsaka yung mga tumatawid, hindi sinasagasaan, ha?
Opo.
For example,
Hindi naman to GTA, di ba?
Hindi, GTA. Katulad. Ayan.
Grabe naman yung kapit mo dyan, Miss Tina. Parang
Kasi po
medyo-
ito po, I love myself so much. Wawa!
yay! Park muna!
Sandali lang. Bababa ako, ha?
Tingnan mo!
Tingnan niyo po yung park niya. Yay! Yay!
O, labas ka na dyan.
Lumabas ka! Lumabas ka! Yay! Alika dito, tingnan mo yung parking mo!
Nakakahiya tayo, Mom!
Park! Picture na po daw siya. Click!
Ano nga portion ni Dad susunod?
Oh, halika na. Dito tayo sa, halika na sa Ross.
We are off to Target!
Let's go!
Target! What time is it? It's Target time!
30
minutes na lang! 20 minutes na lang, magko-close na. Guys, going to Target 10 p.m. with my pajamas on. It's not in my 2025 bingo card. I'm so happy I'm here. It's a heated pool. This is not for the kids.